Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mystic Orb 289, and I'm here to go ahead and give you a 3-week review on my AEBOX 2. I did promise you guys a review on this a little while ago, but I have it now. I know that you guys saw here recently that I put a short up about a little red flashing light on the back of my AEBOX. Well, guess what? It's back again, but I think I finally figured out why it's doing that. So, upon the research that I've been doing, I found that because of the Aleo blockchain itself and the way that these miners work, it has a tendency of mining 28 different algorithms. And this AEBOX, I guess, has an issue with 2 of those algorithms, so it can't actually hash on those. So before we get any further, I do want to go ahead and ask you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on the bell notification icon with the one that says all. That way you guys will get all of my upcoming videos that are going to be uploaded. There are a couple other projects that I have in the works. One is to go ahead and get my PC set up that I use for my video editing. It's actually a gaming PC, but I've got an AM5 motherboard that I got from Newegg, plus a 5070 GPU. I just got to get a couple more components, and I do plan on doing an actual build video of that, so hopefully you guys are excited and interested to see that. I also have a very old PC that I want to go ahead and try to see if I can bring it back to life, and if I can, maybe I'll be able to go ahead and throw it on something like Unmineable to be able to use it to mine some Bitcoin or something like that just in the background. But with that being said, what we see here right away is the current coin price for Aleo. I want to know what you guys think about this project. Are you guys excited for it? Are you guys washing your hands of this project? What do you guys think of it? What do you think of the crypto market in general? Obviously, just like everyone else in this niche will tell you, we are not giving financial advice. I'm just giving you what I have done myself. I did get a really good deal on this AEBOX, so I went ahead and I picked it up. It cost me $100 brand new from a website. It did come in after about 3 or 4 days, about a week or so, I think, and it's been up and running since. You guys did see the unboxing video. I also know that right now at this point in time, we are just before the holiday season, so if anybody's looking to go ahead and purchase any really cool stocking stuffers and you guys want to help decentralize any crypto blockchain, please use my referral links down in the description below and use my discount code to save you guys a couple bucks and also help out the different blockchains, whichever ones you guys are excited for. With that being said, let's go ahead and just dive into some of the stuff that's going on here. So first things first, like I said, the current market value, current value of Aleo is at just under 16 cents. I have had my AEBOX 2 running on ZK.work for the last 2 weeks, and over the last 2 weeks I did earn roughly 38.5 Aleo. So if we come over back to the coin market cap and we put in 38.5, you'll see that we roughly made $6.13 off of this unit in basically 3 weeks. So with that being said, once again, not financial advice, but I do know that it seems like a lot of people are steering away from this type of miner, the Aleo miners. So maybe it'll be worth something. Maybe it'll actually be beneficial for someone to go ahead and pick it up and try their luck at it. But like I said, I'm using ZK.work. I'm going to go ahead and let it run on here for 1 more week, and then I'll switch it over to a different pool. The reason why I picked ZK.work is because this pool actually does not require any staking, from what I understand, in order to be able to get your rewards. And that is one of the downsides of this project itself. It's not just a proof of work like it used to be, but now it's a hybrid. It's a proof of work and proof of stake. So you have to have a certain amount of Aleo staked in order to be able to mine, and that's based on your hash rate itself. There are a couple other YouTubers out there that have went through the process of breaking down the amount of Aleo that would be needed in order to be able to stake and mine and get your rewards successfully. So please look them up, and you'll be able to see exactly what the amount is that's going to be needed. But like I said, I've been running on ZK.work, and this is actually where I found this information. Since I've been talking to you guys, my AE box did go back to mining hashing properly. So I'm going to come over here to this tab, which is also on zk.work. This is their AE box miner tutorial setup. So it does walk us through step by step on how to go ahead and get your Aleo miners onto their site. First things first, you have to go ahead and actually set up an account with them. So you register an account. Once you register, you get a API key or API token, which is what you see right here. You will link your Aleo wallet address to your profile. You'll take this API token that I'm hovering over right now, and you will go ahead and add that to your unit right here in the actual miner name. This is where you'll put the pool URL, which would be one of these two URLs right here. And then your password, you want to go ahead and put whatever password in is you're going to remember. So what I want to do now is I wanted to go ahead and jump over to my Goldshell GUI really quick to show you guys what's going on. Here you can actually see the average hash rate. We are running in hash rate mode, so we're going to get full hash on this. We do have a 0.02% rejection rate, which is actually really low, and it's actually really good. And when we come down here to the live data, you can see that we're running at 56.83 mega hash currently, which is actually doing pretty well considering I think this unit is classified as a 50 mega hash unit itself. But here you can actually see on the live chart, we did have a dip right here, and then we had another dip right here. So this is roughly about the time period that it does take for this guy to go ahead and stop mining for a little bit. And as you can see, we do have some rejected shares, which is probably going to correlate to what we see right here. So this is what we see here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pivot into my camera so I can show you guys the AE box itself, as well as my Shelly smart plug that I have. If you guys are interested to learn more about the Shelly smart plug as well as the crypto program that it's associated with, I'm happy to go ahead and give you guys some of that information. It is a really cool project, and I'm excited to be able to be a part of it. So I'll be back in a second. You guys will see me in a different camera going through the actual process, and from there we'll go ahead and I'll show you guys the watts that are being currently used. Just be very mindful that what the number that you're going to see there is going to also include my tower, my PC itself, as well as the internet switch that I have connected to the same power supply. So we have to do some math when all that's said and done. So give me a second, I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So now that I've shown you some of the stuff on my computer desktop here, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this right here. Obviously, this is my AE Box 2. So I want to go ahead and show you that. On the back side here, I do have some flashing lights. So everything is operating as intended as of right now. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and walk you guys through everything else that I want to show you guys on the actual PC. But just to give you guys a heads up, turns out with the research that I did, I'm still doing more research on this unit itself. But from what I understand, these guys here do have a tendency to go ahead and flash the red flashing light on the back of them. And that actually pertains to the fact that Aleo mines on 28 different algorithms, and that does cause it to sit there and drop out from time to time. Nothing to be concerned about. Obviously, I am monitoring it pretty closely at the moment because I do want to see what's going on. But I also wanted to go and show you guys right now. This is the current power consumption through this power strip that I have right here. As you can see, I've got two lit up. One is for the AE Box 2, and the other one is lit up for my tower, my PC that I'm running. And then at the very end down there, that is the one that's running that switch right there. These other little miners that I have are currently turned off. So right now, we're actually pulling 629.5 watts, which is actually not terrible considering my PC's are running currently and updating stuff, as well as the unit itself. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys this stuff really quick. Now we're going to dive back into the computer so I can go ahead and show you guys everything else that I want to talk about. All right, I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys. So now that we had a chance to see what the AE box is doing at the wall itself, we can see that I think the number was 635 or 625 watts is being used at the wall. But if we subtract we'll say 200 watts from the tower being online as well, it is idle, so it's not going to be pulling a lot of power. And then if we take another 5-10 watts of power for the actual Netgear switch that I've got here, we're running right around 400 watts. So that's right within the range that this unit's supposed to be running at. Overall, this is actually not a bad unit. Me personally, I'm okay with buying it and doing some hodl with this. I do think that this coin itself has a potential to go back up. So here's hoping, and obviously at this point I'm going to be preaching hopium, which is never a good thing, but that's how I feel sometimes, right? If you look here on this page, CoinMarketCap, you can see that the community itself is very bullish on the project. So I take that with a grain of sand, but it is also some pointers of what might possibly end up happening. People are probably starting to accumulate a little bit more of this coin now just because the value is really low. Me personally, I'm not going to invest in the coin as far as buying it, but I will mine it and I will hold on to it, and we'll see what happens and what goes on from there. So with all that being said, I hope you guys liked this video. This is just a really short update video for you guys. I will give you guys another update video next week on this unit, as well as this week you're also going to get an update on the Magic Miner FM01 that I'm running, and we're going to switch pools from NiceHash to the Hive OS mining pool, and then I'll walk you guys through that tomorrow as well, and I'll show you what we've made on NiceHash. With that being said, I want to thank everyone for joining me in today's video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification for future videos. I do got some pretty cool stuff coming up here in the not too distant future. And I'm supposed to be also having another unboxing here, hopefully soon, sooner than later. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Remember, if you guys are looking to buy any stocking stuffers, please look down in my description below and go ahead and use my referral link as well as my discount code. My discount code for both referral links is going to be Mystic1, and you'll be able to save some money on your purchases. Both sites are very quick as far as getting shipping to you. Aside from that, I'll catch you guys on the flip side. You guys have a great rest of your day, and here's to hoping, waiting for the bull market to happen, right? We'll see you guys in a little while. Thanks again. Bye-bye.